The Appellate Division, First Department is now in session. Good afternoon and welcome to this virtual admission ceremony for new attorneys. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
Good afternoon. May it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 32 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
The justices considered this motion earlier, and they have authorized me to grant the motion.
Thank you.
I want to take this opportunity, Ms. Guerrero, to thank you for all the work you do on the admissions process. I also want to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness who serve in a pro bono capacity for all the work they do, which is made more difficult by the current circumstances.
Thank you.
The Deputy Clerk of the Court, the Honorable Margaret Soa, will now administer the oath of office.
Thank you, Justice Friedman. Good afternoon, candidates. Please unmute your microphones. Raise your right hand. I will administer the oath in the form of the question. At the conclusion, I will ask you to respond by saying, "I do." Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law according to the best of your ability? Please respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do. Congratulations, attorneys. Please remute your microphones now.
I invite my colleagues to unmute their microphones to congratulate the new attorneys and give them a round of applause. Congratulations. I remind the new attorneys to keep their microphones muted. It is the custom of the court for one of the justices to address the new attorneys. At this ceremony, that privilege falls to Justice Gesmer.
Thank you, Justice Friedman. On behalf of the court, please accept my warmest congratulations, both to you and also to your loved ones, the family and friends who have supported you through this arduous process. You are being admitted to the bar in a very strange and uncertain point in our history. I'm very sorry that as a result of the pandemic, we are not able to hold this ceremony in our gorgeous courtroom. Perhaps you can get some idea of its beauty from the photograph which we are each using as a virtual backdrop. I hope that you and those close to you will come by our building sometime when things become more normal to see this historic building and to watch us during argument. As I thought about welcoming you to the bar at this time, it struck me that crises like these often make clear both what is required to be an outstanding lawyer and what makes our profession great. Turning to the first, all lawyers all the time have to know the law. But today, more than ever, the best lawyers have to be both willing and able to learn new areas of law and to master new skills. In 2020, a lawyer who cannot Zoom will not serve his or her clients well. And speaking of skills, all lawyers all the time have to think logically, read critically, write with clarity, listen with empathy, and speak persuasively. But of equal importance in this difficult time, a lawyer must be flexible. Today, the successful lawyer is the one who can set up a workspace in the corner of the kitchen and concentrate at 100% with children and pets underfoot. Or, in my case, that I must be careful not to read to you from the stack of children's books that I keep on my desk to read to my grandchildren on FaceTime. But in addition to requiring new skills, the vast social effect of the pandemic demonstrates more clearly than ever that our profession has a duty to assist those who cannot afford counsel. And lawyers have risen to that challenge. Notably, the State Bar and the court system have launched a massive program to assist individuals who face legal needs related to the coronavirus pandemic and its effects on the economy. The ABA has created a portal to connect volunteer lawyers to individuals who need assistance. So if you have not yet been able to find a job, and frankly, even if you have, there are many opportunities for using your new legal skills for the public good. And that will enhance you professionally as well, because a truly great lawyer has a sense of moral purpose and a commitment to justice. You have entered a powerful and noble profession. I hope that you find a way to practice it that provides you with intellectual challenge and joy while advancing the creation of a just and equal society. With that, congratulations again, and best wishes as you begin this boundless journey.
Thank you. This admission ceremony is now concluded. Court is adjourned.